All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to start a part in Autodesk Inventor. So we open up Inventor, we let it load, and while it's loading, just explain that it's a big program. It takes quite a lot of computer resources, so make sure you don't have any unnecessary things open. So, close your browser, free up your computer a little bit. So this is the interface for Inventor, and we're going to start a brand new part. So I'm going to come up to the top left-hand side and press New. Now, we're going to be working in the metric system, so make sure you select metric, and we're going to be starting in a part. Now, you've got all these other things here like assembly and drawing. We're just going to focus on part. So, standard millimeter part, press create. Now, depending on your computer, it's going to take a while to load. Once it's fully loaded, first thing you want to do straight away is make sure you save. It's just going to make things easier in the long run. So we go up the top again, File, we're going to press Save. Now, I've already got some parts here. We're going to be making a boat eventually, so I'm going to call this part the cabin, and then I'm going to press Save. All right, once we've done that, then we can move on to the next video.